Okay, here I have the 2007 S&M Striker frame. My back wheel is a Odyssey Hazard V3 laced to a Primo 7005. My tires are both Demolition Momentum 2.35 in the front, 2.2 in the back. I have Primo Pro cranks, Colt OS sprocket, Animal PC pedals, and the Shadow Conspiracy chain. I have the Bone Death leopard print seat with a Primo post. I have Shadow Conspiracy Voltus bars with a limited edition S&M Redneck American flag stem. I have the United KL 40 forks. I have the stolen headset, and I have Vans waffle grips. I have the Odyssey Vandera 2 front hub laced to a Eastern hoop, and I have all my bolts are Shadow Conspiracy.